Hello and welcome to your first day back from spring break, Tuesday, and the first day of our new unit on South America. We're going to be learning about Central and South America, commonly referred to as Latin America, and a lot of it is going to be discussion around Brazil. So first off, the learning targets. So I can identify and label countries in Central and South America. I can use maps of Latin America to learn more about its physical and human geography. So for today, you're going to have your warm-up, and then your Central South America mapping activity. So for your warm-up, you have a trivia question. So what language is spoken in Brazil? What is the most common or official language of Brazil? And if you're not sure, tell us what a political map is. After you're done with that, you go to your Central South America mapping activity. Make sure you open today's assignment in Cami. Once you are here, you will recognize that this is a pretty common assignment that we've done to introduce each unit. So you label the following countries on this map. If the country is too small that you can't write it in there, just draw a little arrow and then have your text box out there. But make sure you get all of those. And then there are 4 parts to that activity. So you label the countries, and then for part 2, circle the Andes Mountains, the Brazilian Highlands, and the Sierra Madres in red. So you're going to have to look around for mountains to find those. Trace the entire Amazon River in blue. If you really need a little extra help, click here and it'll show you where it is. Underline the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea in green. So you'll be looking for those things and then labeling. You have part 3, which is a choropleth map, which shows you information based off of the color or shades. So you answered these 3 questions. So if you're listening so far on the warm-up, in Brazil, they speak Portuguese. And lastly, you have part 4, which is an infographic of indigenous peoples in Latin America. So indigenous peoples are groups or peoples who are originally from the place or land. So in the United States, we often call them Native Americans, but in other parts of the world, they are often called indigenous peoples. So you read through these questions, then you look at these to get the answer, and that is your assignment for the day. Enjoy.